Thank you so much, Mr. Mukul, for your opportunity and kind words. Good evening, friends. Good evening. How are you all? Okay. Actually, myself, Prathap Srirangan from VIT University, Tamil Nadu. Okay. Today we are going to discuss what to do next. Okay. So actually, I think you are in the final year of your B Form, right? Sixth semester, fifth semester. Okay, so that's good. Anyway, you are nearing your end of your undergraduate. Okay, okay. So India is the pharmacy of the world. So we can interact. You can unmute yourself, and we can interact. And India is the pharmacy of the world. You know why? I will tell. Yeah, yeah, that's good. But and I am telling why. So India is the world's largest provider of the generic medicines in terms of value. Okay, with a 20 percentage. So 20 percentage share of total global pharmaceutical exports from India. And also, India is also the largest vaccine supplier in the world by value. It's a 60 percentage of all vaccines manufactured in the world. So we are exporting 60 percentage of the vaccines to entire world, and 20 percentage of generic medicine we are exporting. Okay. So in 2021, the Indian pharmaceutical industry was valued at an US dollar 42 billion, and it is estimated $130 billion in 2030. So this shows that we are contributing much more to the world in the field of pharmaceutical. Is it okay? Am I audible? You are listening? Yeah. So why this rapid growth? There are We are using the advanced technology. In India, we are using advanced technology, and day by day our health care quality is increasing. So that's why the I know in we are in Tamil Nadu na, we are in Tamil Nadu. Most of the Bangladesh patients and Sri Lanka, uh, sometimes the Pakistan patients also, most of the patients coming to Tamil Nadu for their treatments. This shows that how we are how our quality is in the healthcare. So this all shows our exports, our the Indian pharmaceutical industry market level, and what are the technology we are using, and how the health care is improving. This all shows there is a demand for the skilled pharmacist. Yes, so there is a demand for skilled pharmacist. So you are already in the same correct path. Okay, so you are the future pharmacist. So India is in the need of pharmacist. Okay, so um, there are um, in India and also in the abroad. Why the pharmacists are very important? First, we are looking into the in India. So already I mentioned the India's growing healthcare sector and pharmaceutical industry. It provides the best opportunities for the pharmacy graduates. So this is a point number one. As we are growing in the healthcare sector, we need the pharmacy graduates. Okay. The next point is, so the in 2016, uh, 2019, COVID-19 came. It suddenly came. It's an unplanned one. It suddenly came COVID-19. So then after next, what is the remedy for that? So all the pharmaceutical industries in the global level, they engaged themselves in making the vaccines. Okay, so in India also many companies they engaged in preparation of the vaccines. So Indian pharmaceutical institutions are increasingly emphasizing research and development. So it's leading to the innovative drug discovery and the development. This is a point number two. The third point is with all of these technologies, the research and developments, the um, what the requirement of medicines, the government initiatives and policies are promoting pharmaceutical education and research, both education and research. Only the education, only the we are doing we are studying the B farm, M farm, then what is the next thing? Only that getting the degree B farm, M farm, is it okay? Is it a complete fulfillment? No. Whatever we studied theoretically in the B farm and M farm, we have to apply in the research. So the government also the government initiatives also more for boosting the pharmacy sector's growth. So in today we are discussing about the internship, how to get internship and where we can get internships. This is very important for this stage for you. Okay, and approaching companies, how to approach companies and how to approach the educational or research institutions. Then I will speak about the higher studies. Then how to write email, creating CV and resume, and getting recommendations and references. So first we will go to the internships. Okay. So internship, we can two types of internship are there. You know, na? Internal and external. Okay. Internal internship you can do in your institutions under your already known faculties in the campus itself. So this is okay. This is also the way of learning during the internship, but the another one type of internship, the external internship. What is the importance of external internship? You can choose yourself. You can choose your internship in external or internal by yourself. But the thing is, in internal, already you are spending 4 years of time in the same institutes. Already you know everything in the institute. I think what are the techniques you available, what are the equipments available. Already you know. So the external internship is the new thing. You are going to learn the new thing. You are going into the new environment. You are going to mingle with the new peoples. You can get chance to learn more techniques that lacks in your institutes. Okay. So where you can get internships? In several places you can get internship. One is pharma companies. The next one is the hospitals or healthcare sectors. The third one is research institutes. The fourth one is government organizations. Okay, in four places you can get the internships. So to get internship, best place, what you should do? First point is alumni connections. You should have connections or friendships with the more alumni. Why alumni? Why not only friends? Why alumni? Because alumni already they completed, or already they did everything. They did a course, they did internships, and now they are in some good places. So you should, if you connect with your alumni, if you don't have any alumni in your institute, any other institutes, if you can have some friends in other institutes, they have some alumni connections, you get that connections and be connected. Okay, alumni connection is the best thing to get the good place for internship. Okay, the next one is faculty mentorship. You know what is faculty mentorship? In our institutes there are many faculties now. So, all the faculties are coming from the different institutions, different centers. They may work in different places. So they know more places than us. So if you be in the good touch with the faculties, your faculties, they may give the good guide see to select the place for your internship. Okay, so first connect with the alumni, then go make a good friendship, make a good connection with your faculties. The next one is identify target companies and direct approach. The first two thing is already you know the person and getting the help from them. They may help or they may not help. Yes. No? So the third one is the identify the target company. This is by your this is your own approach. You are you are identifying the companies and directly approaching. So we are mainly focusing on the third point. Identify target companies. How to target the companies. Okay. So already I told in four places you can approach. One is pharma companies, one is hospital, research institutes, and government bodies. First, you search for the first of all you list out the pharma companies. Okay, list out the pharma companies in India. First, you concentrate in India and nearby your place. So I am listing here uh, 10, 10 pharma companies. Okay, you likewise you list out more companies and go to their website. Like here I am going to the Cipla. I am clicking the Cipla uh, website. Ah, see, can you see the website? Yes, this is a Cipla's website. So here you can mention what you need. If you are searching for the internship, type here internship and search for the location and search jobs. Here you will get the list of recruitments, list of opportunities they are currently having. Likewise, likewise, we have to list out the pharma companies in India. Not only go for the top companies, there are many startup companies also there. You can startup companies. You can approach those companies also. And other things is the hospitals. Now I am mentioning the top level hospitals. Apollo, Fortis, Max Healthcare. There are many small hospitals, corporate hospitals are there. You can directly go to their website also. Like here, I am going to the Fortis. See, in Fortis, in careers. Okay, so currently, what are the openings are there in Fortis? You can see here, but currently they don't have the options opportunities for the pharma internships and pharmacist. So in that time, what you should do? You can directly go to the contact us and get their email IDs. Okay, here you can get their email IDs and copy, and you can directly send the email. So if they are not mentioned in the website also, they may have the opportunities in their hospital. Okay, they will reply you. You can get the chance. So likewise, other institutes, ICMR, NIPER, and CDSCO, you can approach the same way. Go to their website. In website, they will post their vacancies and the opportunities. If they not mentioned, you take their email IDs and send the emails directly. You can send emails directly. Don't hesitate to send the emails. Then already I informed you how to approach company websites. First, always you go to the first, whenever you are planning for the internship, to take the list of companies, list of hospitals, list of research institutes, and go to the each and every uh, in the list, each and every companies. You go to their website and find if they are having the opportunities. If they don't have, send get the email IDs and send the email. Then you can directly contact the HR. If you get the HR contact, email contact, you can directly. And so you can approach, we can get the help of the some portals, social portals like Internshala, LinkedIn, Indeed, 2019, Let's Intern. These are some of the portals you can use to get known the uh, internship opportunities. Okay, so this image you can see now. This is for Internshala website portal. If you open this, it will ask for the what which field you want the internship. If the pharmaceutical, it will list out the what are the internship available in different cities. Okay, you can directly approach. In some internships, they will pay. Actually, in some internship they will pay. In some companies they will not pay. If they pay or they are not paying, it's not the thing. We should get the opportunities in the good place. That is the point. So we know where should we approach for internships and how should we approach. We know na, but we should start early. At least 3 4 months before your commencement of the internship period, you should um, find, get the list, find and get the confirmation. Okay, use online sources well to get the opportunities and be proactive. You have to be active. You should not think if the time is there 3 months or the 4 months, or it's not that. If you send the mail, you may get the reply after 3 months also. You may get email in next day also, in some cases, and you may get the reply in next 2 or 3 months also. So you should start this preparations yearly. Okay. Okay, I told you how to see the find the websites of the pharma companies and the research institutes. And now we are going, the academic institutions, they themselves, they are not taking the, they are offering the internship, because they will get the collaboration with some other companies, pharma companies, research companies, to provide the opportunities as internships in their institutes, educational institutes, colleges. Okay, so for that, to list out the colleges, pharmacy colleges in India, and state level universities like Delhi University, like the state level universities, list out. And private universities also you list out. There are many private universities like SRM, Hindustan, like many universities are, they are providing internships. Okay, they access their websites. Same, get same like the companies. You go to their website, college websites, and for example, I will show. See here, SRM University Pharmacology Department I am taking. This will show list of faculties working there. If you click any faculty, it will go to their profile. What are the things they are doing? What are the projects they have? Okay. Here they not mentioned there. Wait. Okay. Most of the universities, most of the college websites, they will mention the faculty's email ID. You can directly approach For that, you should know how to mail. That we will see later. Okay. In LinkedIn, go to LinkedIn. Okay. And or directly you can search in the Google that faculty name. Okay. Like now I am searching Dr. E.P. Sabina. She is faculty from VIT University. She is she is doing research in the field of pharmacology and toxicology. If you find in the Google, you will get the mail ID of that particular faculty. Okay. See, in LinkedIn is the very good platform. You can link with more academic persons. Hmm? If you're not able to find the email IDs of the faculties in the websites, you can search their names in the LinkedIn, and you can directly connect them, and you can directly message them also. Okay, after signing in you can message, and in that message you can formally you can approach them. Definitely they will reply. So not only you can do the one or two institutes, you should approach more faculties, then only you will get chance. Okay. See, here list of faculties are there, and what are the skill they have, and skill training they are providing. See, ongoing projects, what are the ongoing projects they have, you see, list of projects they have. In any of the projects you can approach, definitely you will get an opportunity. So okay, now we know where to approach, how to approach. Okay. Then during your approach, you should maintain your strong academic record. Matlab, if you have any arrears, okay, if you have any arrears, you should clear before you are planning for the internship, and make all the certificate. Get all the certificate from your institution. Make a file. Okay. All the semester wise or year wise, what are the certificates, what are the conferences, seminars you attended, what are the trainings or workshops you attended. List out all the documents and make a file. This is a very good, very what a primary thing. You should maintain your strong academic record. Means you should clear your arrears if you have, and if you have to document all your certificates already completed. And the main thing is you should get the recommendation wherever you uh, apply for the internship. They will ask what they will ask. They will ask your certificates, qualification certificates. They will ask for your CV, resume. Then the main thing is they will ask for the recommendation. Definitely they will ask the recommendation letter. Okay. Then how to get the recommendation? You should at least you should get the recommendation from the five faculties. To get the recommendation, what you should do? You should be the strong relationship with the faculties where you are studying. And also, if you go any workshops or training workshops, seminars, conferences, and be touch with that faculty also. You may get the recommendation from them also in future. Okay. And make it as yearly. If you planning in the December month, you should get the recommendation letter and all 3 4 months before. Okay. Some faculties will not give suddenly. They will take time to for the preparing the recommendation letter and all. Okay. You start now itself. Get recommendation letter. Okay. Don't hurry burry in the last minute. Okay. Avoid last minute request to the faculties. When you ask for the recommendation letter to the faculties, give the internship details wherever you are applying. Okay. The company details and all. Okay. And your resume. Prepare your resume. When you go to the faculties for getting the accommodation letter, you formally request them formally, and wherever you see the faculty, express the gratitude. This also will help. Some faculties will not give the recommendation letter easily, so express the gratitude. The thing we need the letter, so we can do anything. Okay. Okay. So now you have in your mind, we are taking the internship. We are going to take the internships. So we have to list out the companies, institutions, go and visit their websites, get their email IDs, approach them by sending the email. When you send the email, something you have to attach in the email. Now, what are the things you have to attach? There's some recommendation letter you have to attach, and the main some educational proof you have to attach, and the main thing is the resume. You have to attach your resume in your email. Okay, when you prepare your resume, what are the things you have to consider? So always keep in your mind that resume should have the keywords relevant to the field. What are the things you already known, which field you are? These are the keywords you have to mention in the resume. So without reading the full resume, if just the highlights, the keywords will show your resume. Okay, if you apply in the one company, their uh, what their needs are different. In some other companies their needs are different, and every time make one word file. Every time you make changes relevant to what expectations of the companies, and make a PDF. Okay, make one set of word file, and always prepare customize your resume based on their expectation, company's expectation, and make the PDF file. Then you uh, attach when you are applying for the internship. Okay, it should be easy to read. Don't put a paragraph like that. Just make a points. The, it should be easy to read and consistent. Okay, means and contact information. Give the correct contact information, phone number, email ID, and also nowadays advanced level they are some companies they are mandated this. It's a mandatory. They are asking LinkedIn profile. If you don't have LinkedIn profile, create now. Today itself you create a LinkedIn profile. In that profile you put everything, what are the qualification, what are the internship, what are the workshops you uh, attended. Okay, brief summary of your career goals. Just make a one small summary. It should be brief, simple one, but it should tell your career goals and skills. Okay, and highlight the points, like if your highest qualification is B Farm, highlight that. Which field you are interested, highlight that. Okay, then the action verb means completed, presented, participated, won, like that. I participated this, I attended this, like that. You have something in your life now. I attended the two workshops, like that. The action verbs, whatever you did. Okay, like then degrees and certifications. What are the degrees? What are the certification course you have, and what are the technical skills you have, and what are the projects you already done during your course, and if you have any publications, or if you presented something in any conference or seminar, that also you mention. And always keep it concise, because you are a freshers, you are freshly you are applying for some job. So the resume should be concise manner, one or maximum 2 pages. And after adding all the informations, proofread is very important. In sometimes they will mistakenly, not intentionally, mistakenly they will make any mistakes, corrections in date of birth also. In some resumes I have seen in my journey, in my life journey, some students they mentioned 1893. So these are the mistakes they may do. So proofreading is very important. And when you prepare your resume, Keep in your mind all the point. Remember all the points and mention in the resume. Okay. Don't delay. After this class, if you have time, make your good resume. Okay. First step is resume making, because after selecting the company, you have to mail them. Na, you need a resume. Make it today itself. Okay.
You also tell them what to write in the mail.
Ah,
That's it. Ah,
okay. Now you know the internship now. Now you know how to approach, where to approach, how what are the documents we need, and how to get the recommendation letter. These things you know. Now you can get the list out the companies, get their contact details, send send the mail with your recommendation letter, with your resume and your educational qualification certificates. Then they will select you. Anyway, you will get only good internship. Okay. So next, higher education. Yes. Yeah. You are asking the sample resume. Yes. Yeah.
I will send. You can send later also.
Actually, after this class in the group, Mukul sir will share you the good one, good resume. Okay, sample one. Okay, and if you have any doubts, or if you want to know more about the resume making, we will we will send you one good document also in the group. You can make use of that. Okay, is it okay? Okay. Then okay, internship part is over. Then you have to start your work now itself. I already told you have to start yearly. Then start yearly. Okay. Then higher education after internship. Yes. 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 Hello. Yeah. Good question. That the upcoming slides I will tell you how to email, how to write the email.
Yeah, we can skip this slide. You just tell anything and
So,
complete.
okay, actually the time we are having the shortage of time, and I am telling this briefly. And after completing your internship, some of you will go for the job, and some of you will opt for the higher education. Then after B Farm, what are the higher education opportunities? There M Farm is there, PGDM, Farm D is there. There are several courses are there, like MSc in clinical research and MBA. I want to tell you can go for M.Pharm
Not MBA,
and
MBA. Bengali
MSc in clinical research, and you can go for the MBA. I will tell you about the MBA. If you want to join any job also, you can join. And during your while you do the job, you can simultaneously you can do the MBA as a part-time course. This is a valuable one. Okay, if you are working in a company, you are having the B.Pharm degree and working in a company. Simultaneously, you are doing the MBA, hospital management, healthcare management, pharmaceutical management. There are several sections in the MBA. If you do in the part time, 2 years part time course, 4 semester course. If you complete this, if you complete this and get the certificate, MBA degree certificate, the same company, in the same company where you are working, you will get the opportunity for the what promotions. You will get the promotions, and you will get the good positions in that same uh, companies, or you can go for the another companies. Okay, in the big hospitals like corporate hospital like Apollo, Fortis, Max Healthcare, in these type of hospitals, they will take the persons with the MBA background. Not only MBA background, they will see what is their previous qualification. The persons will do the BBA and MBA. They also will do MBA after BBA. The person who completed B Farm and MBA is very much valuable, because the hospitals they need the person who are relevant to the health sector. So, who are already in the good, you are already in the health sector. If you complete a MBA, This is a double value. You will get the good positions. Means that you can become the general manager, big positions in the corporate level hospitals. Okay, and in the in the what in M form, what are the fields are there? I mentioned here in the slide. You can see if you are planning for the higher education during your internship, you select any field I mentioned here, so that you can do the internship in also in the same field, and you can continue your field in the your higher education also. Okay. Okay, what are the colleges you can approach? There are many colleges in India. eh? No limitation. In every city there are more than 50 colleges, but you have to choose the good college. Okay, I mentioned some colleges here: Jamia Amrad, Manipal College is a very good college for pharmacy, and Birla Institute of Technology, Hyper. You will get the easily will get chance in small colleges. You will get the seats easily, but to get the seats in the big institutions, good centers, how you will get? There are competitions, are heavy competitions nowadays. So you should give the exams. What are so go to the internship. You are not going to work for the 15 hours or 20 hours, so you definitely will get the time during your internship period. You definitely will get time if you are. Yes, everything is best. M farm also best, MBA also best. M farm, if you do the M farm, your what your you are going to choose a different field. You are going into the research. You can choose your path. If you are going to research, clinical research, and you should become a scientist, you can choose a M farm, farm D, like that courses. And if you want to become a administrator, and you want to become a you want to administration the big sectors like pharmaceutical or healthcare sectors, you can opt a MBA. Okay. Hello. Yeah, yeah. Which one? I am both are good only. You have to select by yourself. Well, I am telling, if you want to be a researcher, if you want to become a scientist, opt for the M farm, farm D. And if you want to become a good administrator, opt for MBA.
I will answer the same
Okay.
question.
Later we will discuss in the group.
No, I will answer both of them.
Uh, our Mukul sir will answer this question now itself.
क्या पूछ रहे हो आप लोग? किसका क्वेश्चन है कि फार्म एमबीए और आप एम फॉर्म में पूछ रहे हो कि क्या बेटर है? जब आप एम फॉर्म के लिए जा रहे हो तो ऑलमोस्ट आपको लैब वर्क करना पड़ेगा। सिर्फ एम फॉर्म में नहीं, इंडस्ट्री में जाओगे तब भी। जब आप एमबीए कर रहे हो तो आपको एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन वाला वर्क करना पड़ेगा। मींस आपको जो है चीजें हैंडल करनी पड़ेगी, मैन पावर को आपको हैंडल करना पड़ेगा, हर चीज का मैनेजमेंट आपको देखना पड़ेगा। जैसे आप एमबीए करके अगर हॉस्पिटल मैनेजमेंट में हो तो आपको स्टोर से लेकर पेशेंट की एंट्री तक, पेशेंट कहाँ आएगा, कहाँ बैठेगा, किस डॉक्टर का कितना टाइमिंग का ड्यूटी देना है, ठीक है। को अगर आप ऐसे हॉस्पिटल में हो जहाँ पर क्लासेस भी होती है तो क्लासेस का भी शेड्यूल आपको बनाना पड़ेगा। दैट इज द एमबीए टाइप ऑफ थिंग, वो आपको करना पड़ेगा। अगर फार्मास्यूटिकल में बात करो तो इंडस्ट्री में जो भी मैनेजमेंट है, चाहे वो परचेज है, वो फाइनेंशियल है, वो आपको मिल जाएगी। वो एमबीए के थ्रू मिलेगा। वो मोस्ट ऑफ द वर्क एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन होगा, आपको लैब के अंदर जाके काम नहीं करना पड़ेगा। एम फार्मास्यूटिक्स में करते हो? हाँ जी।
सर मार्केटिंग के पर्सपेक्टिव से कौन सा एमबीए ज्यादा बेटर है, मतलब हेल्थ केयर वाला या फार्मास्यूटिकल मैनेजमेंट वाला?
मेरे हिसाब से फार्मास्यूटिकल वाला ज़्यादा बेटर है, क्योंकि वहाँ पे मेडिकल डिवाइस भी कवर हो जाते हैं जो हेल्थ केयर मैनेजमेंट में कवर नहीं होता है। तो वैसे तो मार्केटिंग में भी अलग से एमबीए होती है, ठीक है। और एक बात और, जो आप एम फॉर्म की बात कर रहे हो, जैसे सोटिक्स आप कर रहे हो या कुछ और कर रहे हो, क्लिनिकल फार्मेसी कर रहे हो, तो ज़्यादातर क्लिनिकल ट्रायल्स जो कंपनीज करती हैं उनमें जॉब मिलती है। एम फॉर्म अब डिपेंड करता है कर किस में रहे हो, इंडस्ट्रियल फार्मेसी में कर रहे हो, फार्मास्यूटिक्स में कर रहे हो, तो ज़्यादातर फॉर्मुलेशन से रिलेटेड जॉब मिलती है या फिर टेस्टिंग से रिलेटेड जॉब मिलती है क्यूए की। जब एम फॉर्म फार्माकोलॉजी में कर लेते हो तब आपको जो जॉब मिलती है वो आर एंड डी के लिए आप ज़्यादा कैपेबल हो जाते हो। ठीक है, वैसे तो काम कुछ भी करा सकते हैं, अगर एम फॉर्म आपने फार्माकोलॉजी में किया है तो ज़रूरी नहीं है वो आपसे आर एंड डी में जॉब आपको दिलाएंगे, वो फॉर्मुलेशन में भी दे सकते हैं, डिपेंड है कि आपको आता कितना है। ठीक है, और कोविजिलेंस में भी अगर आपको फार्माकोलॉजी के पास थोड़ा सा प्रेफरेंस कोविजिलेंस का रहता है ड्रग सेफ्टी के लिए। ठीक है, तो वहाँ पर अब जैसे ड्रग डिस्कवरी है तो ड्रग डिस्कवरी का जब एनिमल वाला स्टेप आता है, प्री क्लिनिकल स्टेज आता है, तब वहाँ पर फार्माकोलॉजी का रोल आता है, तो वो उसलिए वो फार्माकोलॉजी वाले पर्सन को सिर्फ एनिमल वर्क के लिए सिर्फ हायर करते हैं। ठीक है, ओके, यू टेल अबाउट मेनली अबाउट ईमेल राइटिंग अदर थिंग्स।
Okay, understand. Okay, you choose your which course you are going to do. You choose by yourself. The one difference is I am telling now. Simply I am telling. If you are a researcher after completing your M.Pharm, PharmD, everything you will become the researcher or scientist in any big pharmaceutical company, right? So the in that also the growth will be there after completing the MBA and become the management also you will get the growth. The thing is the nature is different. The management the scientists or researchers or staffs employees whoever may be, they should follow the words of the management. You think the nature is different. So that from this aspect you can choose yours. Okay, and if you want to do everything, first you have to prepare for your exams. So competition is heavy nowadays. So without exams you cannot choose the good institutions. So now itself you start learning the uh, competitive exams like GATE and GPAT, NIPER, DRDO, CSIR, ICMR, NET. Many exams are there. Many exams. Several exams are there. But the subject is one. The one subject, if you prepare well, you can give the several exams. Okay, keep in your mind, prepare for your exams. Okay, okay. The next slide going. Okay, we already seen about the higher education in India. In India, several courses are there. You can opt if you want to go the next level. If you want to do your post graduation itself in the abroad, think now you are in India. If you are doing your PG course in abroad, this is very different. This is your next level growth. So for that, what you have to do? Same. First, you have to select the country, and you have to search for the what are the institution universities are there in that country. Then, like same thing I saw in the SRM University, na the faculty list. Same list the abroad in universities also they will have the list of faculties in their website. Go to their website like I am opening the University of Queensland. This is a very good university for the pharma field. See, this is the see it is very good na. Think if you are in there. Okay, find a program whatever program you need. Find your program. It will give the complete details how to apply, what are the things you have to do, everything it will show. So select the country, select the university, approach them by email, send the email, and once they give the confirmation, once your seat is allotted, then go for the visa processes that you can make a classes in the future. And the one more thing is, when if you have time and if you are interested, over very much interested to go the abroad and to do your PG, and go for the English proficiency classes and give the test like IELTS, TOEFL. These are the exams. Some countries like Canada, they are this is mandatory to have one English proficiency clearance test. Okay, if you have time, you take this also. During your internship period, prepare for your exams if you are planning to do your post graduation in India, and prepare for this English proficiency test if you are planning to go to abroad. Okay, then the final step is, we know everything now. Now we have to send them email. How to send email? This is not a good new thing for you. Already you would have sent an email, and now I'm just telling you how we have to follow the rules. First, you will get the email IDs from the institutions websites. That is the recipient's email address. If you open the email, if you want to compose a email, first what you want, recipient's email address, that you will get from the websites. Then subject. The subject is the main thing. In sometimes they will not open the email, just they see the subject. If it is relevant to them, they will open, otherwise they will not open the email. Is it not? So subject is very important. Keep it concise and informative. Whatever you are going to give in the uh, email, give in the subject. So if B Farm final year student seeking internship opportunity, this is a sentence. If you mention this, they will know you are asking for the internship. If okay, then because if you are planning for the PhD application inquiry, these are the some subjects ideas we can use. Then salutations. Everybody will what expect the salutations. Use the formal salutations. Don't use the only dear. Only dear, it will not work. Dear doctor, or respected doctor, respected professor, dear professor. Like that, you always use this type of words. Okay. Then briefly introduce yourself, your institutions, and your program. Like I, if I without informing about myself, I want to do a PhD there in your institute. First, you have to brief yourself. My name is this. I am from this institution. I completed this B form. So clearly state your purpose. What is your purpose next? Why you are mailing? You are seeking the opportunity for the internship, or seeking the opportunity for the PhD. Then highlight the relevant qualification. The qualification you already done, that you highlight and express your interest. Clearly you express your interest. You not express, I also apply here, I also apply here. That like that you should not uh, write. Okay, this is the institute I want to apply. This is, express your full interest here, not one from the 10. Okay. Okay, then thank the recipient. Finally, after writing the content, you thank the recipient. Then provide your contact information. And important one is mention any attachments. If you are attaching the resume, if you are attaching the recommendation letter, for attaching your education qualification, just mention I have attached these documents. Then use a formal closing like sincerely, sincerely, best regards, or yours sincerely. This you can use. Then finally, below the closing, closing word, sincerely, your name, your designation, or your institution, your contact information, your mail address. After this, you already mentioned what the documents you have attached, you are mentioning, but don't forget to attach. Okay. Recommendation letter, you already got recommendation na. We know how to get the recommendation from the faculties. You approach the faculties and get the recommendation letter. Make a good resume. Document yourself. Document your all your certificates. Everything you have to attach in the mail. Now you know how to make a subject, how to give the salutation to the faculties, how to write a content, how to thank the recipient, how to mention your attachments, and don't forget to attach your documents. That this is what is this AI. AI is the nowadays we are in the 2024. We should use AI. Don't hesitate to use AI. Okay, this is free source, na. We are not going to pay anything. Why I am telling na? In AI you can get the support when you write the resume, when you write your email. You can get the help from the AI sources. Use in a good way. Okay, and everything okay. You applied for the internship, they will call for the interview. What are the things you should know before you go to the interview? First know yourself. Okay, then know of them their what they are doing. First know yourself. Identify your key strengths and weakness. You should not have all the strengths. All persons will have some weakness. Don't tell them I know everything, then you will get the questions what you don't know. Okay, so try to tell what is your strength and weakness and be honest about your limitations. But also highlight you highlight how you are working to improve. If you are weak, if you have weakness, tell them, and also tell them how you are working to improve them. Okay, this is a good way. They will impress. He is telling the truth only. Well, yes, they will impress. Okay, get impressed. So always be honest when you are going for the interviews. Then clearly articulate your long-term career goals. Don't tell I am just for internship only. I am selecting this field. Don't tell like that. Tell them this is my long-term career goal. That's why I'm selecting this internship, this field. Like that you tell. Then only they will get, as they will believe. Uh, they are very much interested. So we should good give an opportunity like that. They will think. Okay, then practice. First, know yourself, who you are. My name, my uh, my place, my name, my city, my family situation, my education and qualifications, my strengths, my weakness means not body weakness. Okay, I know these are the tools. I know these are the techniques. I don't know these techniques, these things.
Skills.
Okay, skills. Okay, first know about yourself and practice. Several times you practice to tell. They will ask, tell about yourself. They will ask. That time you should not what you should not stuck because it is about yourself only. They are not asking about others. Yourself you should not stuck. You should clearly tell. Okay. Then understand the company. First know about yourself, then understand the company. First, if you are going for an interview for any company, read about that company in their website. They have some missions, they have some visions. So many things they are mentioned in the website. What are the goals they achieved? What are the current status? What are the current projects? So these things you before going to interview completely read about their company, and uh, read about the role you are applying. They will ask, okay, we are taking you to the internship. What you will do? They will ask. That also you should answer clearly. And what are the key responsibilities and requirements for that specific position? Some responsibilities, some requirements will be there. Na? That also you should learn. Finally, prepare common interview questions. Tell me about yourself. They will ask. Definitely, they will ask one question. Tell me about this is a leaked question. Tell me about yourself so we can prepare well. Then why are you interested in this position? That also you should prepare. And finally, give marks. Mock means trial. Mock interviews to your friends, relatives, your father, your mother, your uncle. Yeah, whoever have the capacity, you stand before them, behind them, before them, and give the mock interviews several times. And if it is online interview, no problem. Dress code is not that much important. And if it is the direct interview, dress professionally. Okay. If it is online, you know how to wear. Yeah. If it is direct interview, dress professionally. You dress. Always you dress professionally. In that interview, you don't show your what fashions, everything there. If you get job, you show your everything. Okay. And practice good body language. This is a very important thing. If you have the knowledge, if you are answering the questions very well, but if you are not, if you show the bad body language, they will think this person is having more attitude. Even if he have the knowledge, he's showing attitude. So everything they will notice. So maintain the eye contact. Just see their eyes, uh, and speak. Sit up straight and avoid slouching. Slouching means dancing. Okay, don't do that. And smile. Be don't show your face like the angry or hungry. Before going, have the food and go. Angry and angry both will not work out. Okay, always smile. Active listening. What is active listening? First, if they are speaking, just listen. Actively listen, then you speak. Before they complete the words, you don't start your conversation, because they might have thought to tell something else. Okay. Okay. Be in your keep in your mind everything. How to search for the companies for internships, how to approach them. Okay, how to prepare for your exams. Then how to apply for the higher education, how to apply for the higher education in the abroad, how to make a resume, how to send that prepared resume to the respected company through the email writing, then how to go for the interview, what are the things you should know to participate in the interview. Okay, keep in the mind. And remember, practice makes perfect. Practice, practice, practice. Resume, write, proofreading. It will give the practice. Interview, practice, practice. Remember, practice makes perfect. Okay. Okay. Don't limit yourself. The world is full of possibilities. Possibilities, more possibilities. Don't limit yourself. The only limit to your success is your own mindset. So you should set your mind today. You should apply for more internship. You should apply for the government exams. You have to prepare. Thank you very much for the Thank you very much for the wonderful session. And your your Mukul sir will speak with you now.
Yes, you can ask your doubt directly. हेलो हेलो कोई डाउट आप लोगों का?
सर एक बार फार्म डी के बारे में थोड़ा सा ब्रीफ कर दो।
फार्म डी एक्चुअल में अभी इंडिया में नया है, लेकिन इसके लिए जो जॉब्स हैं वो सिर्फ क्लिनिकल बेसिस पे है, इंडस्ट्री बेसिस पे फार्म डी को जॉब नहीं दे रहे। इसलिए मैं पर्सनली सजेस्ट नहीं करता हूँ, लेकिन हाँ किसी का अगर मन है मतलब क्लिनिकल ट्रायल्स में जाने का या प्रॉपर रिसर्च में जाने का, तब वो मैं प्रेफर करता हूँ। क्योंकि कई जगह पर जैसे आप लोग फार्म डी करोगे, कई जगह पर एमफॉर्म मेंशन है लेकिन फार्म डी मेंशन नहीं है अभी तक, तो वो उसकी बहुत बड़ी लिमिटेशन है। ठीक है, फार्म डी मतलब ऑलमोस्ट अब डॉक्टर लग ही जाता है नाम नाम के आगे, बट वो लिमिटेशन है उसकी। तो इसलिए मैं अभी सजेस्ट नहीं करता हूँ। साउथ की साइड ठीक है, फार्म डी का अच्छा चल रहा है, लेकिन अगर आपको नॉर्थ में सेटल होना है तो बहुत मुश्किल है। तो इसलिए मेरे हिसाब से नहीं जाना चाहिए फार्म डी के लिए। और बताओ, और कोई डाउट?
सर जैसे अगर मतलब नाइपर और गवर्नमेंट इंस्टीट्यूशंस के अलावा किसी प्राइवेट इंस्टीट्यूट में जा रहे हैं, तो मतलब ऐसे इंस्टीट्यूट से करने में फायदा रहेगा जो अच्छी खासी इंटर्नशिप भी कोर्स में इंक्लूडेड ही देता हो, लाइक 2 साल में इंटर्नशिप वगैरह भी दे रहा है, तो सही रहेगा ना?
हाँ दे सकते हैं, लेकिन वो इंटर्नशिप जैसे चितकारा में 1 साल की भी इंटर्नशिप करा देते हैं, वो 1 साल ही पढ़ाते हैं। उस इंटर्नशिप के बाद आपको क्या मिल रहा है वो ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट है। और इंटर्नशिप मतलब वो कहाँ करा रहे हैं। ठीक है, कराने के लिए तो वो हर जगह मेंशन कर देते हैं कि हम करा रहे हैं। अब कहाँ करा रहे हैं पता नहीं। जैसे कुछ यूनिवर्सिटीज़ हैं, जैसे अशोका यूनिवर्सिटी है, वो अच्छी इंटर्नशिप कराती है। ठीक है, मणिपाल है, वो भी अच्छी इंटर्नशिप करा देता है। ठीक है, अब चित्कारा में मेंशन जरूर है, लेकिन वहाँ पैकेज की फिर कुछ बात आ जाती है, तो वो एंड में इंटर्नशिप इतनी काम नहीं आती। बट आपको ये हो जाता है, आपने इंटर्नशिप करी है कि कॉलेज से प्लेसमेंट नहीं हो रही है, तो बाहर से प्लेसमेंट आपकी आसानी से हो जाएगी। वो एक बहुत इजी सा हो जाता है।
नहीं सर, कॉलेज वाले तो 4 साढ़े 4 लाख की देते हैं, उससे ज्यादा नहीं देते।
हाँ, तो वही बात है। वो अगर आप इंटर्नशिप कहीं अच्छी जगह की है, देखो कुछ यूनिवर्सिटीज हैं जिनका नाम बहुत अच्छा है। जैसे थापर यूनिवर्सिटी है, बहुत अच्छी यूनिवर्सिटी है, प्राइवेट। लेकिन वहाँ फार्मा का हाल कैसा है कोई करता ही नहीं है, वहाँ से किसी को पता ही नहीं है। ऐसे ही एक बैंगलोर में यूनिवर्सिटी है, दयानंद सागर, वो प्लेसमेंट कराते हैं, लेकिन कोई जाता नहीं है। हमारे वहाँ से नॉर्थ से आके किसी ने किया नहीं है, तो इतना हम क्लियरली बोल नहीं सकते। वहाँ की प्लेसमेंट अच्छा है, 67 बच्चों को उन्होंने प्लेस कराया है, एम फॉर्म वालों, वो अच्छी कंपनीज में। ऐसे गुजरात में कुछ कॉलेज हैं, SDC करके है एक कॉलेज है, तो वो अच्छा प्लेसमेंट दे रहे हैं वो। लेकिन वो आप लोगों की रेंज से कुछ बाहर हो जाते हैं। ये सारे प्राइवेट कॉलेजेस हैं, लेकिन प्लेसमेंट है इनके पास। ठीक है, लेकिन कोई गया
सर
नहीं तो
एक
श्योरिटी के साथ।
डॉक्टर
हाँ,
DY पाटिल करके और था,
डॉक्टर DY
मतलब उसका
पाटिल
कैसा
मुंबई
है?
में है, अच्छी यूनिवर्सिटी है। एक नारसे मुंजे भी है, वो 3 साल का एम फॉर्म प्लस MBA का कोर्स कराते हैं। वहां से भी प्लेसमेंट अच्छी है, लेकिन फीस बहुत ज्यादा है, 9-10 लाख में आपको पड़ेगी डिग्री कहीं जाके।
हाँ सर, वो तो बहुत ज्यादा है उनकी फीस तो।
ठीक है, बेटर है आप एग्जाम के थ्रू जाओगे तो ज्यादा अच्छा है। एक एक
से मुझे ना आपको प्लस MBA का ऑप्शन
हाँ,
मिला था 3 साल।
वही बोला मैंने। एक IIHMR है, वो MBA के लिए है। ठीक है, वो अच्छा इंस्टीट्यूट है, मतलब फीस भी ठीक है, पैकेज 5-6 लाख का वो दिला देते हैं। ठीक है, एक चीज और है जो इस PPT में मेंशन नहीं थी। जैसे यहाँ पर सिर्फ एम फॉर्म और MBA से रिलेटेड थे, आप MTech के लिए भी जा सकते हो और MSc के लिए भी जा सकते हो। MTech भी फार्मास्यूटिकल बायोटेक्नोलॉजी में होती है, फार्मास्यूटिकल इंजीनियरिंग में होती है। उसकी वैल्यू एम फॉर्म से ज्यादा है। ठीक है, लेकिन उस कोर्स को लेने के लिए आपको अलग एग्जाम देना पड़ेगा, जिसका नाम गेट बी है, GAT-और B। वो स्पेशली बायोटेक का एग्जाम है। उसके थ्रू आपको बहुत इजीली मिल जाएगा। वो फार्मा वाले बच्चों को पता नहीं है, पिछली बार कुछ लोगों ने दिया था, उनका स्कोर क्वालिफाई नहीं हुआ था, बट स्कोर अच्छा था। मतलब जैसे कट ऑफ थी 120, तो वो 97-98 की लाइन में थे। ठीक है, तो उसमें आपका 12th का सिलेबस आता है, फिजिक्स केमिस्ट्री मैथ। तो जिस बच्चे ने नीट के लिए या उसके लिए प्रिपेयर किया है, तो वो एग्जाम उसके लिए बहुत हेल्पफुल है, क्योंकि वहाँ पर इजीली एडमिशन मिल जाता है और सारी यूनिवर्सिटीज कवर हो जाती हैं। जहाँ पर फार्मा नहीं है वो भी कवर हो जाती है। ठीक है, तो इस चीज़ से आप अप्लाई कर सकते हो। बाकी इंटर्नशिप के लिए करोगे तो वो ज़्यादा बेटर है अभी के हिसाब से। और बताओ, और किसी को कुछ पूछना है तो।
सर जैसे आप कल बता रहे थे कि मतलब लाइक कॉलेज वालों को कैसे जाके अप्रोच करा जाए, उसके लिए तो एक बार वो बता दो सर, क्योंकि मतलब
देखो,
कोऑर्डिनेटर्स
कॉलेज
तो हमें
वालों
बात
के
करनी
लिए
है
ना,
और
कॉलेज वालों के लिए सिर्फ एक ही चीज़ की प्रॉब्लम है, और उसमें एक चीज़ मुझे जो मेजर इशू लगता है ना, कॉलेज वाले मना क्यों करते हैं। उनके दो रीजन है। पहली बात, कोई एक बच्चा गया तो उसके पीछे बहुत सारे बच्चे इंटर्नशिप के लिए जाएंगे बाहर, उनका कॉलेज खाली हो जाएगा। उनके उनके टीचर्स क्या करेंगे, उनको ये बात समझ नहीं आती है। पहला प्रॉब्लम उनके लिए ये है। जो दूसरी प्रॉब्लम आपके लिए और कॉलेज वालों के लिए है, वो क्या है कि आपका कोई सेमेस्टर फिक्स नहीं है। जैसे अभी यहाँ प्राइवेट कॉलेजेस में तो फिक्स है कि उनका पहले से फिक्स है, जिस दिन आए हैं किस दिन डिग्री खत्म होगी उनका फिक्स है। आप लोगों का फिक्स नहीं है डिग्री कब खत्म होगी। 6th सेम जो है आपका, जो भी अभी सेम लास्ट सेम में प्रोजेक्ट होता है 8th सेम, वो 2 महीने में खत्म कर देंगे यूनिवर्सिटी वाले, 3 महीने में कर देंगे या 6 महीने में करेंगे। तो वो आपका अनसर्टेन है, प्रिडिक्टिव ही नहीं है, तो इसलिए वो अप्लाई नहीं करते। जैसे पिछली बार जो फाइनल प्रोजेक्ट था वो 2 महीने में आपका खत्म हो गया था, 2 मंथ में उड़ा दिया था उसको। अब किसी ने इंटर्नशिप ज्वाइन कर ली और कॉलेज से आ गया कि 6 महीने की इंटर्नशिप आपने ज्वाइन की, क्योंकि मिनिमम 6 या 3 महीने की इंटर्नशिप मिलती है। तो आपने 6 महीने की इंटर्नशिप जो ज्वाइन की, कंपनी को आपने अप्रोच किया, वो कंपनी आपको 3 महीने में रिपोर्ट आप सबमिट करोगे तो वो लेंगे ही नहीं, उस पर कोई साइन ही नहीं करेगा। तो आप सबमिट क्या करोगे प्रोजेक्ट के टाइम पे? तो ये सबसे बड़ी मेजर प्रॉब्लम है वहाँ पे। तो आप 1 महीना 2 महीने की कहीं इंटर्नशिप आपको मिलती है तो आप उसके लिए ज़्यादा ट्राई करो, मैक्सिमम 3 महीने की, क्योंकि आपका वो जो मॉडल है ना यूनिवर्सिटी का वो प्रिडिक्टेबल नहीं है, तो इसलिए शायद कॉलेज वाले थोड़ा अलाउ नहीं करते। ठीक है, और उनको थोड़ा सा अटेंडेंस का भी दिखाना होता है कि हम अटेंडेंस को लेके सीरियस हैं, क्योंकि एक बच्चे को अलाउ किया तो बाकी बहुत लोग आ जाएंगे। ठीक है, और बताओ।
नहीं सर, जैसे मैं कोऑर्डिनेटर मैम के पास गया था तो ब्लंटली मना कर दिया
कौन है
कि हमारे
कोऑर्डिनेटर?
कॉलेज में ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता। अभी तो सविता मैम है कोऑर्डिनेटर।
देखो वो फैकल्टीज के ऊपर है, यहाँ पे उल्टा प्रमोट करते हैं बाहर जाने के लिए कि आप यहाँ मत करो, क्योंकि टीचर्स पहले से तंग होते हैं कि हम अपना एक्स्ट्रा बर्डन क्यों लें। तो आप डायरेक्ट प्रिंसिपल से बात कर सकते हो जाके, या किसी और से बात कर सकते हो जो हायर अथॉरिटी पे है, लेकिन उससे पहले आप इंटर्नशिप के लिए एक बार एटलीस्ट अप्लाई करके देख लो, क्योंकि रिकमेंडेशन आपको कॉलेज से ही मिलेगा। आपको अदर इंस्टीट्यूट से कोई रिकमेंडेशन दे दे, कोई जान पहचान से कहीं से भी मिल जाए रिकमेंडेशन लेटर, बट एटलीस्ट कॉलेज वालों से एक तो चाहिए होगा बंदा, एक एक बंदा एटलीस्ट आपके कॉलेज से चाहिए होगा। ठीक है, वो एक्चुअली आपके प्रिंसिपल का ही चलेगा मेरे हिसाब से, कोऑर्डिनेटर का कुछ रोल नहीं आएगा।
हाँ सर, क्योंकि मतलब और कोई टीचर अलाउ ही नहीं करेगा, लाइक जब ऊपर की अथॉरिटी मना
नहीं
करेगी तो।
नहीं, वो जो लेटर जाएगा वो ऑफिस से ही जाएगा, प्रॉपर स्टैंप लग के और साइन होके। ठीक है, मेरे पास कोई रिकमेंडेशन लेटर पड़ा होगा तो मैं एक बार आपको दिखा दूंगा क्या लिखना होता है, कैसे होता है। ठीक है, आप लोगों के लिए टफ इसलिए है क्योंकि आपका इंस्टीट्यूट सपोर्ट नहीं करता है, ये फैक्ट है। मतलब 2 महीने के लिए कौन आपको कॉलेज से बाहर जाने देगा, फिर सेशनल भी दोगे वो करोगे, तो वो थोड़ा सा इश्यू है, बट एटलीस्ट आप लोग ट्राई कर लोगे। तो जॉब के बाद कर, बी फॉर्म के बाद कर लेना, उसके बाद अगर, उसके बाद तो दे ही देंगे वो रिकमेंडेशन लेटर, तो उसके बाद काम आ जाएगा तुम्हारे। बट हाँ, अभी से प्रोसेस स्टार्ट कर दो एटलीस्ट, कि तुम्हें बाद में दिक्कत ना आए। इंटरव्यू कैसे देना है, रिज्यूम कैसे देना है, जैसे आपके सीनियर्स के साथ प्रॉब्लम क्या है, उनका रिज्यूम में लिखने के लिए जो है वो कंटेंट नहीं है, तो एटलीस्ट आप एक दो वर्कशॉप वगैरह अटेंड कर लो, 100 रुपये में भी कई वर्कशॉप्स आती हैं, आपके पास सर्टिफिकेट आ जाएंगे, रिज्यूम में लिखने के लिए कुछ हो जाएगा। ठीक है, आपके कॉलेज में कोई इवेंट हुआ है, आपने कुछ जीता है, कुछ सर्टिफिकेट कॉलेज वालों ने दिया, तो वो भी आप लिख सकते हो। ठीक है, फ्रेशर के लेवल पे सब जायज़ है। ठीक है, तो अभी थोड़ा सा आप इस चीज़ पे ध्यान दो, बाकी बात करके देखो, सोल्यूशन निकलता है तो अच्छा है। और बताओ।
एक बार सर प्रिंसिपल से बात करके देखते हैं।
हाँ पूछ लो आप, मतलब तरीके से पूछना बट,
हाँ जी सर, तमीज से जाके पूछूंगा तो कोई दिक्कत
और
नहीं
मेरा नाम मत लेना फिर तो बिल्कुल नहीं मिलेंगे।
है। नहीं सर, बिल्कुल नहीं देंगे।
ठीक है, चलो ठीक है, कुछ आपके था काम का कुछ लेक्चर?